Applying for BPO chat support jobs but not getting interview calls? Maybe your resume isn't making the right first impression. Remember, recruiters take only 6 seconds to scan your resume. Let's fix that today and build the perfect chat support executive resume step by step. Step 1. Basic information. Start with your name, contact number, email, and location. Keep it neat and professional. Avoid fancy email IDs. You can also add your LinkedIn link to make it look more authentic. Step 2. Career objective. Write a short, powerful career goal that shows your interest and personality. Example: a hardworking and friendly graduate who enjoys helping people and solving their issues. Seeking a chat support executive role in a reputed BPO where I can use my communication skills, empathy, and quick learning ability to deliver excellent customer service. Step 3. Internship or projects. Even if you're a fresher, mention your virtual internship or college project experience. Example: virtual internship, customer interaction and support, Internshala Program 2023. Responded to mock customer chats with empathy and accuracy. Learned CRM tools and complaint resolution techniques. Awarded top performer for politeness and attention to detail. This shows that you already understand how customer support works. Step 4. Education. List your education clearly, starting from the latest. Bachelor of Arts in English Communication, Mumbai Central University, 2021 to 2024. Senior Secondary, Commerce, Al-Noor Public School, 2019 to 2021. Step 5. Relevant skills. Now highlight your skills, both technical and soft. Technical skills: CRM tools, Freshdesk, Zendesk. Fast typing speed, 45+ WPM. Computer and internet operations. Soft skills: excellent communication, English, Hindi, and Urdu. Customer handling and problem solving. Time management and team coordination. Adaptability and quick learning. Step 6. Achievements. Add 2 to 3 real achievements that make you stand out. Certificate of Excellence in Communication, College Level, 2023. Medal for Active Volunteer at Tech Support Fest, Mumbai University, 2022. Bonus tip: keep your resume one page, use simple fonts, and double-check spelling before saving it as a PDF. Recruiters love clean and easy-to-read resumes. If you learned something valuable today, smash that like button, drop a comment sharing the one thing you're adding to your resume, and hit subscribe, because your dream BPO job isn't waiting, and neither should you. Remember, a great resume opens doors, but your action makes it happen.